Hi there, thanks for joining us. You've probably seen Pascal's law in action many times without realizing it. But do you know what it is and how it works? Pascal's law is one of the fundamental principles of physics. Engineers have harnessed it to achieve remarkable results across many industries and in everyday things we take for granted. So what exactly is it? Pascal's law is based on the principle that liquids are virtually incompressible. It can be summed up as this. When there is an increase in pressure at any point in a confined fluid, there is an equal increase at every other point in the container. Let's take a look at some examples in practice. In this first example, both plungers have the same active surface area, so the output force will be equal to the input force applied, and each plunger travels the same distance. However, in this next example, the plunger on the right has an active surface area 10 times greater than the smaller one on the left, so the output force will be 10 times greater. Note that the smaller plunger travels further than the larger one because it needs to displace the required volume of fluid. In a hydraulic system, pressure is the same throughout, so when the surface area increases, the force increases too. That's why a larger cylinder can deliver more force. Throughout everyday life, you can see examples of Pascal's law in action. A car jack at your local auto repair shop, hydraulic brakes used on vehicles, and cutters used for demolition and accident rescue operations. In industrial settings, Pascal's law powers heavy lifting equipment on construction projects, hydraulic presses for punching and forming sheet metal, and also hydraulic pullers and heavy-duty chain cutters. That's the power of Pascal's law, working wonders all around us. Thanks for watching.